Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing how to find the cheapest bike insurance in the UK. If you're a cyclist, you know how important it is to protect your bike from theft, damage, and liability. But you also know how expensive bike insurance can be, especially in the UK where bike theft is a serious problem. So how can you find the cheapest bike insurance in the UK without compromising on the quality and coverage of your policy? Well, that's what we're going to show you today. I'm going to share with you some of the best ways to compare bike insurance policies and providers and choose the right level of cover for your bike and your riding style. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find the cheapest bike insurance in the UK and enjoy cycling with a peace of mind. One of the best ways to find the cheapest bike insurance is to compare different bike insurance policies and providers. You can do that using a comparison tool like GoCompare.com to get the best deals and discounts from top UK bike insurers. All you need to do is enter your details once and you'll be able to view multiple bike insurance quotes in minutes. You'll need to give them some personal details like your name and your address, as well as information about the bike that you ride, where it's stored, and how often you ride it. Once you've got the quotes, you can sort them by price, cover level, excess, and customer rating. This is going to help you find the best bike insurance policy for your needs and budget. But don't just pick the cheapest policy. You should also look at the features and benefits and choose the right level of cover for your bike and your riding style. There are different types of bike insurance cover that you can choose from depending on how much protection you want and how much you are willing to pay. Let's look at some of the most common types of bike insurance cover and what they mean. Firstly, we've got third-party cover. This covers you from any damage or injury that you cause to another person or their property while riding your bike. For example, if you hit a car or pedestrian, third-party cover will pay for their repairs and medical bills. However, it does not cover any damage or loss to your own bike or yourself. Third-party cover is usually the cheapest option, but it also offers the least protection. You can expect to pay around £20 to £50 a year for third-party cover, depending on your bike value and personal details. Next up, we have theft cover. This is an optional level of cover that you can add to your third-party cover if you want to protect your bike from being stolen. It covers you for the cost of replacing your bike if it's stolen, as long as you have locked it securely and reported the theft to the police. Theft cover is more expensive than third-party cover, but it can save you a lot of money if your bike is stolen. You can expect to pay around £50 to £100 a year for theft cover, depending on your bike value and security measures. Next, we have accidental damage cover. This is another optional level of cover that you can add if you want to protect your bike from being damaged. It covers you for the cost of repairing your bike if it is damaged by an accident, such as a crash, a fall, or a fire. Accidental damage cover is more expensive than theft cover, but it can save you a lot of hassle if your bike is damaged. You can expect to pay anywhere around £100 to £200 a year for accidental damage cover, depending on your bike's value and your usage. And lastly, we have personal injury cover. This is the most comprehensive level of cover that you can get for your bike and yourself. It covers you for the cost of treating your injuries if you are hurt while riding your bike, regardless of who is at fault. It can also cover you for loss of income, legal fees, and funeral expenses if you are seriously injured or killed. Personal injury cover is the most expensive option, but it can also offer you peace of mind. You can expect to pay anywhere around £200 to £300 a year for personal injury cover, depending on your bike's value and your personal details. As you can see, there are lots of different levels of bike insurance that you can choose from, and each one has its pros and cons. And remember to pick the most suitable cover for you. For example, if you're a casual commuter, you might want to pick a policy that covers you for theft, accidental damage, and third-party liability. If you're a serious athlete, you might want a policy that covers you for personal injury, legal fees, and travel. You can also find policies that cover multiple bikes, accessories, clothing, and helmets. By comparing different insurance policies and providers, you can find the best bike insurance for you and save money in the process. And don't just stick to one comparison site. There are plenty of them out there, and each one will be comparing different insurers. So try out others like Compare the Market or Money Supermarket. By doing so, you can find the cheapest bike insurance and enjoy cycling with peace of mind. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.